All right, everybody, back day 4 technically on the 33, and I just want to show you some progress. Filthy, covered in grinding grit and everything because it's been a bear. But what we got, excuse me. So I went ahead and I measured the new cross member. Like I said, I marked the axle center line on there. So I got all the measurements put onto the frame rail. Double check, triple check, very important that you get them right. But I cut out the notches in the frame rail to put the new cross member in. I also got all of the weld. You can kind of see where all the little pockets are in the steel. I got all the old weld from that weld from the plate that held that power steering gearbox. I got all of that off. So getting that cleaned up. Also found that they had taken like a black RTV and covered a few things. If you look right here, you can see in the frame that there's like a little piece of metal there, but there's a gap between the two flat plates. You could also see up in here, I'll turn it sideways, you can see up in there, you can see there's holes, and they actually do go through the frame, not to the outside, but they go into the interior of the frame. So it wasn't boxed 100% correct. You know, I don't know if they cut this plate, sorry,